We are going to implement bottom navigation as shown, contains home, profile, setting, info items. Let us start. Bottom navigations lets you switch between different screens. First, we are going to implement bottom navigation composable, and then we will include it in our app. Create a function, composable function. Call it my bottom navigation using modifier. Okay, we don't have to implement this composable from scratch. We can use bottom navigation composable using bottom navigation. We need to implement dependency, implement material, Android X, the compose material. Okay, and synchronize. Import our bottom navigation dependency. Inside the bottom navigation, we are going to use a bottom navigation item composable. We need select parameter and on click, and also we need the icon parameter and label parameter. Before completing this composable, we need to create a list of screens that will be displayed in the bottom navigation. Create var, call it screen equal list first screen home, second screen profile, third setting, and info. In our function pass modifier equal modifier and screens for each screen, our label text, we need text and value equal screen and selected equal false and on click ignore it now. For icon we need icon and image vector and description. For image vector, we need a helper function. Call it get screen icon, pass screen value, type string, and return image vector. Return when screen equal to home. Return icons dot default dot home. Okay, and when screen equal profile, return icons dot default dot person, and setting setting and info else return home. Here an image vector equal get screen icon, screen equal screen. Okay, and content description equal it's also screen. Okay, let us check the view as shown. Our bottom navigation contains home, profile, setting. We can change background using background parameter, bottom navigation. Okay, using material theme dot background. Check our preview. Okay. Second step, we need to include this composable function in our app. For include this composable bottom navigation in our app, create a composable function. Call it home screen. Need a modifier. Okay. And using scaffold composable modifier equal modifier and bottom bar equal our my bottom navigation function. Okay, and ignore error using padding value text home screen and modifier dot padding values equal padding values. Okay, and use our home screen main activity, modify our preview function using home screen, check preview. Okay, as shown, our home screen contains text and our bottom navigation. Next step, we are going to change selected item and using on click to navigate between it